Early Childhood program has a lot of hands-on learning and project-based learning because that's what we do when we work with kids. We focus on child development, guiding child behavior. Each semester you get to work with children in a practicum setting for 8 hours a week. And a lot of focus is on make and takes and creating things that you can use in your future classroom. So the one-year technical diploma is also embedded in our Early Childhood Associate Degree program. So a lot of students find as they're going through the first year of the program that they'd like to extend into the second year and complete the full Associate's Degree program.
I'm learning more on how to build better lesson plans, how to communicate with the children better. I'm learning more about STEM.
We get to go into the classrooms and actually interact with the children. I feel like that helps us the most.
And the teachers are the biggest thing. They're so smart. I consider them like friends almost, like I can talk to them as friends. And that's like the fun part, and there's no judgment from them. My main goal in life is to open my own center back home. So this is really helping me get the licensing down and get the experience down so I can open a better center so children have a place to go.
Caregivers make a huge impact on small children. I never knew that, like how big of an impact, because you just think they're little kids, but they're not. They're actually learning and growing when you're just interacting with them.
So between birth and 6 years of age, the brain is the most moldable or plastic or malleable, you could say, and they're just little sponges. So they're learning absolutely everything through experiences, everything in the world that's going on around them. And actually what happens during those first few years shapes their brain into adulthood. So many people don't remember their early childhood teachers or their caregiving years in the first 3 years of life, but they're so critically important to future success and future brain development, especially related to those executive functioning skills or social emotional skills. Every day is different and every day is challenging. It's just truly a great program to work in because all of the practice and projects really prepare you to be a good teacher.